or your flint being imprisoned with sand. As you can see, it's probably not a real good thing to have happen to you in the middle of a battle, but obviously it did. The next weapon that we're going to look at is the percussion musket. It evolved after the Mexican War, where percussion muskets were used with a small cap in place of the flint and the firing pan in the pan.
That 1861 Springfield rifle musket. It's not a musket. It's not a smooth bore like the Revolutionary model. This is a rifle. It has rifleman inside.